Hi! In this video I'll show you how to install a centered zipper. A centered zipper is a zipper that is hidden, but you're not using an invisible zipper, you're using a regular all-purpose one, and it's hidden behind two equal seams. So the opening is in the center, and you can use this zipper for the closure of a skirt in the back or for a jacket, and I'm using it for a pillowcase. So you basically need two panels of fabric, your zipper, threads, a sewing machine, a marking tool, a seam ripper, zipper foot for your machine, and did I forget something? Yeah, some glue stick or seam tape or double-sided fusible webbing can be handy as well. So let's have a look. Your zipper will be sewn in between two pieces of fabric. Measure and mark the endings of your zipper on the seam. My zipper will lay in the middle, so I'm marking 3.5 inches at each side. Pin the two fabric pieces together, right sides facing. Start sewing the seam of the two pieces with a normal stitch, with your regular seam allowance, until you reach the first mark. Now change your stitch length to at least a 5 on your machine and stitch until the next mark. This is your basting stitch that we will remove later on. At the second mark, you change the stitch length back to 2.5. Iron your seam allowance open. I like to glue my zipper onto the seam with some fabric glue or with seam tape, as you can see here. You can also use pins, but I get better results gluing. You have to position your zipper face down on the seam you just ironed. Now it's time to attach a zipper foot onto your machine. I'm using the adjustable zipper foot that comes with the Madame Sew 32 pieces ultimate presser foot set. It's number 20 in the set. And you can adjust the position of this foot easily and stitch on the left or the right side of the foot, which is great if your machine doesn't have that many needle positions like mine. So you first need to unscrew your own presser foot and presser foot holder, and then screw on the adjustable zipper foot. So it's a screw-on foot, and you can adjust the position of the foot with the orange thumb screw in the back. Line up the foot so that you can stitch 1/4 inch away from the zipper tape's edge. Position the needle on the left of the foot. Start on the right edge of the zipper. Now sew in a straight line and pivot just below the zipper stop. Stitch all the way around the zipper, around the zipper top, and then back stitch over where you began. Flip your fabric over and rip open your basting stitches with a seam ripper. And be careful. And now you have your centered zipper already, and he's neatly hidden behind two seams. So all I've left to do is close the edges of the different panels of the cushion cover and turn it inside out, and it's ready.